Hi, I'm collaborating with Wazow, and the program is Learn French in 3 months. This is online for beginners and to be starting from April 3rd to June 28th. Okay, before we go further, what does the course covers? The course covers conversational skills, basic grammar, pronunciation, and speaking. What is the learning method? I'm super excited about learning method. It incorporates a lot of things. It incorporates music, movies, and videos, weekly assignment, weekend classes, and monthly exams. And what are the learning goals? To learn French while having fun in the process. You know, when you're learning a new language and the whole process is just tight fisted, you end up not completing it. But why don't you do what you love by having fun at the process? I remember when I was learning French, pronouncing simple letter R, I could not. R in English like sound like air. I was like, what is this? But it's a fun language to learn. And this course will be demystifying every problem. There'll be cheat codes on how to go about the learning process, how to go about pronunciation. And at the end, you'll be able to move from level A0 to A1 and A2. You should be able to say basic French word, communicate to your level, how you want it. And this depends on you. If you're interested, please do well to reach out to this email address infochomaevo@gmail.com, or you reach out to this phone number +2349041553223, and it's only on WhatsApp. This is an opportunity to stand out globally. This is time to not just say, oh, I can speak English, je parle anglais. No. Now you need to come and say, je parle français. Oh my God, that sounds so sweet, or doesn't it? This is a time to stand out globally and add French to spice up your social value and status. Hey, before you go far, let's look at the frequently asked questions. Someone asks, how often is this class going to be managed? Like how many hours for the class? Is there material to be shared, etc. The class would be at your own pace. So the hours depends on you. It's just that during weekend, but we are in different time zones, so trying to find a balance might be, but the learning is going to be at your own pace, and there will be material to be shared. One thing I want is that when you're coming for the course, ensure you have data, because you'll be downloading some videos and music. This person said, I don't think I can learn any language, Jerry. It's just so difficult. I wish I started earlier. Who said you can't learn a language? Never say never. Nah, you can. And that's the more reason why this course is for beginners, strictly for beginners. And we've incorporated a lot of fun process. There are rest days. The music are not, they are something you would enjoy. The classes have been constructed in a way that you would enjoy. Only when you're trying to put yourself under pressure that, oh, I need to do it. But when you are doing this and you are enjoying the process and it works with your schedule and you don't feel like it's a lot of stress, you would. Someone asked here that, are we to buy textbooks or study packs? No, you don't have to buy study packs at all. There's no study packs needed. Let's look at the last. This person said, okay, I'm already using Duolingo. Yours will be a lot better, and I have some French friends to practice with. Don't worry. I understand how Duolingo works. You learn at your own pace. But this, you have a live human that will hold you accountable. So you have to do the work. It's not just about playing games or just, it's a new language. You have to converse, you have to communicate. French will say communicate, right? So you have to incorporate All this when you're learning on Duolingo and you are not practicing, you're not practicing to speak the language. It will just be like all theory. So you have to learn all this. You have to learn communication. You have to learn writing. And our writing classes are fun. They are fun. You will write. You're going to write words. You're going to write simple. So you'll be making simple sentences, but they are all fun. Like J Farm, I'm hungry. J Suave, I'm thirsty. You're going to be writing things that you do daily that will stick with you. And no matter where you are, you're going to say, okay, lo share, lo chat. Oh my God. Please don't miss this for anything. Gain global relevance and let any other Joe Paul Frante. I speak French and you'll be super proud about it. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.